AI BOM agents are transforming product lifecycle management, replacing time-consuming tasks with a system that can take action. Let's take a closer look at Teamcenter's first AI BOM agent in action. Starting with your unconfigured product, you ask Copilot to configure to a variant. Now, you ask Copilot to execute a smart discovery filter for proximity around the brake drums. Next, you ask the agent to replace the brake drum. The Copilot converses with you, asking if you want to use an engineering change notice and what name to use. After identifying impacted assemblies, it asks if you want to add all or only some of them. Copilot makes sure you have everything you want for the change, like a work set for visualization. Now, Copilot uses GeoList shape search to offer possible replacement parts. A link is created to validate what the BOM agent has done. Finally, the change summary gives you your revised redline info. Your AI BOM agent can search, analyze, propose, and correct in the context of your products.